Hi there, I trust you all are enjoying my channel. Are you already knowing about seeing Instagram password? If you forgot the password, it is quite easy. So are you ready? Let me jump into the video right now. If you'd like to learn how to view your password on Instagram, in case one forgot it, then the process must be followed through the below indicated steps. 1. Open Instagram. Open the Instagram application on your Android or iPhone, or visit the website at www.instagram.com. 2. To jump to the password reset page, click on the Forgot Password link positioned at the bottom of the login interface. Most importantly, you come across the login boxes where you can obtain and list the details of the Password Reset API using the link provided beside them. 3. Enter your information. You will be asked to input login information such as the username, which is an email address or a phone number tied to the Instagram account. 4. Receive reset link. If you request this through the mobile application, you will just be required to fill in the contact info to receive the password reset link through an email or a text message. 5. Follow the link. Look for the link by checking the email or the SMS that you received. Your email SMS will contain a link. Where you have to get the link is through your email or the SMS. A notification like this will lead you to a page where you can reset your password. 6. Set a new password. Pick a new password that you can easily remember, or save it in appropriate software or device. 7. Log in. After having your password reset, use the newly generated password on the password reset section to log in your Instagram account. The following steps are recommended to assist in the process of obtaining your Instagram password back to get access to your profile. I shall understand that. Anyway, if it did hit the subscribe button down below, it really helps me out, and I'll catch you on the next one.